Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to use Zoom on an iPad, whether you're joining meetings, switching between views, or adjusting settings for a smoother experience. Once you join a meeting room, you'll see the familiar Zoom interface designed for touch navigation. At the top right corner, tap on the More button. This is where you'll find meeting settings. Inside the meeting settings menu, you can customize your preferences, and the best part is, you only have to do it once. Zoom will remember your settings every time you log in. If your screen feels crowded during large meetings, you can hide non-video participants to make things look cleaner and less distracting. This is especially helpful when there are more than 5 people in the meeting. Now, let's talk about views. On the iPad, Zoom gives you 2 main options, Speaker View and Gallery View. In Speaker View, the person currently talking appears large on the screen, perfect for focused discussions or one-on-one sessions. If you prefer seeing everyone at once, just tap Switch in the top left corner to change to Gallery View. This view is ideal for group discussions or team meetings, where you want to see all participants at the same time. Finally, if someone sends a message during the meeting, you'll notice a red bubble notification appear on the More button at the top right. Tap it to open the chat and read or reply without leaving your meeting screen. Using Zoom on an iPad is simple and intuitive once you know where everything is. With just a few taps, you can customize your view, manage participants, and stay on top of your chats. If this guide helped you understand Zoom better on your iPad, don't forget to like, share, and please subscribe for more easy tutorials.